Hello everyone, welcome back to the browser API series. In the last video, we learned how to copy and paste text using the clipboard API. Today we are going to explore the geolocation API, a powerful feature that let us get the user current location directly from the browser. So by the end of this video, you will be able to show, coordinate and even display a map of the user location. So let's dive into that. So I've created a file that's a geolocation.html and I've written the basic HTML things here. So first thing what we're going to do, we are going to understand what is the geolocation or if, right? So the geolocation is basically you can get any user whoever visited the website with their latitude and longitude. You can see the from where the user is actually viewing your website, right? So the geolocation API is available via navigator.geolocation. So let's get the user latitude and longitude, right? So first we'll see if, we'll write if, no, yeah, we'll say if, we can say geolocation, right? In navigator, right? And we are going to say position, then this position, and we're going to get the constant. We are going to get the latitude, then we'll say longitude, and we're going to say position dot false, right? And we'll close this. So and the next thing we're going to do, we're going to print that. So we'll say console dot log and backtick. We're going to use the template literal. So template literal, yeah, and we'll say latitude, and copy this. Then type the latitude, comma longitude, and we are going to say yeah, don't need this. That is latitude, longitude, and paste this, and we'll say longitude, right? And we'll close this. So, and now we are going to write here. There's something here. Latitude. Okay, we have to close this. That's it. And then we are going to say error. Say error. No, not like this. Say error, and we can print this. So it's a console log, and we can say error getting the location, and print the whatever the error we are getting, or we're going to write else console log. Here we can say geo location is not supported in the browser. So first thing what we're going to do, we are getting the geolocation, and if we get the position, we'll print this in the browser, and if not, then we are going to get the error, and suppose if this condition doesn't satisfy, right? So it say the geolocation is not supported in the browser, right? So the get current position is basically so yeah, I mean we have not written here the get the current position. Basically we have missed that thing. So right, say navigator geolocation get current position, right? We forgot the one of the most important line here, and we are going to take this and paste it here, then to add semicolon. Okay, place it wrong place here, right? So what we're going to do, we check this part first if the geolocation is supported or not. If not, let's say geolocation is not supported in the browser. We get the position and we get the position, we are going to print that, and if will not, then it's the error, right? So let's run it, and I'll close this first, and we'll see if we are able to get the current position or not. So basically the get current position is, let's place it. So yeah. So get current position is basically a method that takes two function of a successfully and to function a successful callback and error callback, right? So let's run it and see what we get in the browser. Yeah, so we can go to the browser and we can inspect this. It says geolocation is not supported in the browser. So the best way, what we are going to do, we are going to display that in the browser here, right? So let's open this, and how we can do that, let me show you. So we are going to add a p at a paragraph. ID will be a location, right? Close this, and we don't have to write anything here, right? And in this part we are going to say constant location p, that will be document get element by id, and we will say here location, right? And we'll close this, right? We got the this id, and we are going to append the whatever we will get here, we are going to append in this, right? So let's close this. I'll comment this first, and yeah, so this we have commented, and right, and now what we're going to do, we are going to paste that current position, that is constant latitude, longitude, and this will be, we are, rather than writing here, right, we are going to append that in a location p. So location p dot text, location p dot text content equals to, going to say let me copy this, right? You can say your latitude and longitude, right? Yeah, that's it. We have to add the semicolon, that's it, right? And yeah, this will be enough. Now let's switch to the browser and see. Let's refresh this. Check get current position. Cannot read the properties get current position. Add undefined. We're getting the undefined. So get current. I misplaced this. Still saying it's so add this again. So it is get. So navigator dot geolocation, geolocation, right? There is a typing. I think this will work now. Say get current position is not a function, right? Say navigator dot geolocation, geolo, right, and get current geo si, get current position. Now I think this will work. Yeah. So you can see the latitude and longitude. So in the previous one, why it showed that geolocation is not supported in the browser, because we have missed this, right? We have misplaced this. So and this is what we got. We have successfully applied this, that you should get the um, I mean latitude and longitude in the browser. So you can see it here, you can see it in console also, right? And next thing, what so yeah, I mean that's it for the and you can basically you can get any user by writing the code, and you can collect the data and you can analyze this like the way the Google Analytics does. Basically, that this is what they do. They collect the data, they see like from the where the user is viewing, and based on that they give us everything like the city, like the a country, like everything basically they give us based on our browser behavior, right? From where we are viewing it, and from getting the exact location, they basically display and they provide us the analytics, right? And that's how you use the geolocation API in JavaScript. In the next video, we are going to explore about the notification API and intersection observer, right? Perfect for the building modern web interactive web app with alert and lazy loading, right? So if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, right? And see you into the next one.